Children, yesterday I have given you to do exercise 19b, in which I am taking some sums that will help you to do the exercise 19b. Now I am taking question number 1, first part. Find the sum of 3a plus 4b plus 7c, comma, minus 5a plus 3b minus 6c and 4a minus 2b minus 4c. Use column method. Write the all algebraical expression in that manner. 3a plus 4b plus 7c minus 4a plus 3b minus 6c, 4a minus 2b minus 4c. Now, here we have 3a minus 5a plus 4a gives 2a, plus 4b plus 3b gives 7b, minus 2b gives plus 5b, plus 7c minus 6c and minus 4c gives 10c, minus 10c plus 7c gives minus 3c. So your answer is 2a plus 5b minus 3c. Next question is question number 1, fifth part. Find the sum of 4x square plus 7 minus 3x, 4x minus x square plus 8 and minus 10 plus 5x minus 2x square. Use column method. Write the algebraical expression in that manner. So first is we have 4x square minus x square minus 2x square. These are the two terms, negative terms. Minus 2x square minus x square give minus 3x square and 4x square. 4x square minus 3x square gives x square. Same, 4x plus 5x both are positive terms gives 9x. 9x minus 3x gives plus 6x. Here 7 plus 8, 15. 15 minus 10 plus 5. So your answer is x square plus 6x plus 5. Here I am taking the next sum, question number 2, first part. Add these three algebraical expression. You can see the sums from your book. Use the column method. Write the all algebraical expression in this manner. First, we have minus 17x square plus 15x square, 13x square. These are the two positive terms. 15 plus 13 gives 28. 28 minus 17x square gives 11x square. Minus 2xy minus 4xy gives minus 6xy. Plus 7xy gives plus xy. 23y square plus 3y square gives 26y square. 26y square minus 9y square gives 17y square. So your answer is 11x square plus xy plus 17y square. So in that manner you can do these three sums. So next I am going to take question number 3. Question number 3, first part is evaluate 3a minus in bracket a plus 2b. Write the sum. Open the bracket, the negative signs outside the bracket will change the sign inside the bracket. That will minus a will become the minus a and plus 2b will become the minus 2b. So 3a minus a gives 2a and minus 2b as it is. The answer is 2a minus 2b. Now next we are taking question number 3, third part. You can see the sums from your book. 8a plus 15b minus 3b minus 7a. Write the sum in that manner. Now 8a minus plus 15b minus 3b minus plus 7a. Collect the like terms. 8a and plus 7a both are positive terms gives 15a. 15b minus 3b, one positive one negative gives plus 12b. Plus sign, because of that the bigger term is plus sign, having the plus sign, so plus 12b. So you will do the sums in that manner. Now question number 4 I am taking. Second part, subtract 4x minus 6y plus 3z from 12x plus 7y minus 21z. From which we are going to subtract, you will write first, use the column method, and of which you have to subtract, that will write the on second. So write down this one, the first, this one, the second. Now write the negative signs, because we are going to subtract these polynomials from the first one. So negative sign will change this sign, 4x will give the minus sign. So 12x minus 4x gives 8x. Minus and minus give the 6y, change the sign, plus 6y. Plus 6y and 7y give this plus 13y. Minus sign will change this sign, 3z is positive, will change the sign minus 3z. So minus 21z and minus 3z will give the minus 24z. So your answer is 8x plus 13y minus 24z. Now I am taking question number 4. Fifth part, subtract 2ab plus cd minus ac minus 2bd from ab minus 2cd plus 2ac plus bd. You can see the sum from your book. From which you are going to subtract, you will write first, and of which you are going to subtract, that you will write on the second. Write the negative signs. Minus 2ab plus will change the sign, minus 2ab. Minus 2ab plus ab will give the minus ab. Minus cd and minus 2cd will become the minus 3cd. Minus minus plus ac and plus 2ac will become the plus 3ac. Minus minus plus 2bd and plus bd will become the plus 3bd. So we get the answer minus ab minus 3cd plus 3ac plus 3bd. So in that manner you will do the sum. Now I am going to take next sum is question number 5, second part. Take 5x plus 6y minus 3z from 3x plus 5y minus 4z. Use the column method. From which you are going to take, you will write first, and of which you are going to take, write second. So write in that manner. 3x, negative signs you will write minus signs. So minus 5x plus 3x give the minus 2x. Minus 6y plus 5y give the minus y. Minus minus plus 3z and minus 4z give the minus z. So the answer is minus 2x minus y minus z. Again I am going to take question number 5, fourth part. Take 1 minus a plus a square from a square plus a plus 1. Use column method. Write this one first, this one second. A square, negative sign, minus minus minus. This will cancel, this will answer cancels. Minus minus plus a and a give the answer 2a. So answer is 2a. Now I am going to take question number 6. From the sum of this and this, subtract this. You can see the question number 6 from your book. Use row method. Here we will use the row method. The sum of which we are going to write, we will write the first, and of which you are going to subtract, you will write in the last. Put the minus sign in the last one and put the plus sign between the two. We are going to take the sum. So open the bracket. In the last, as here is the minus sign outside the bracket, so all these signs inside the bracket will change. Minus x, minus y, minus z. Now collect the like terms. X plus 2x minus x, y minus y minus y, minus 2z plus z minus z. X minus x cancel, 2x we get. Y minus y cancel, minus y. Z minus z cancel, minus 2z. Your answer is 2x minus y minus 2z. So now I am taking one. Next sums I am going to take. Subtract this from the sum of this and this. You can see the sum. You can see the sum from question number 8. You can see from your book. So use row method. We will see the sum of which we are going to take, write first, and of which you are going to subtract, you will write in the last. Minus sign will put. Now open the bracket. In the last, as having the minus sign, we will change the sign inside the bracket. Minus x plus 2y and minus minus plus z. So collect the like term. 3x plus x minus y plus 2y, z minus 3z and plus z. So now minus x minus plus x will cancel each other, give the 3x. Y minus y cancel each other, give the plus 2y. Plus z and plus z will give the plus 2z, and minus 3z will give the minus z. So we'll get the answer 3x plus 2y minus z. So I have taken the sums that will help you to do the other sums of this exercise 19b. So try to do. Any questions you are unable to do, you can ask me. I have uploaded your next assignment in school app, in which I have explained how to do the sum of exercise 19c. Here I am explaining in this video how to do the multiplication. Here we have a square. What you know? We know a square equal to a into a cube equal to a into a into a. So a square into a cube will give a, power will add together. So 2 plus 3 will give 5, a to the power 5. On the basis of this, we will do the sum of exercise 19c. Here are examples that will help you to do the sums of exercise 19c. First, we are multiplying monomial. So here we have the example 8x square y cube, 6y square z5 and 3xz square. Now write the sum. Collect the constant, collect the like variable together. So in that manner we will write. So 8 6 are 48. 48 multiply 3 get the 144. Here x square into x will give the x cube. Y cube and y square, the power will add together, as I already told you here. So 3 plus 2 5 and 5 plus 2 7. So your answer is 144 x cube y 5 z 7. That is your answer. Next we are taking question number 2. Multiply polynomial by monomial. So here the sum. Write the sums in that manner. Monomials you will write first and the polynomial in the bracket. Monomial will multiply in all the terms of polynomials. You will do 2xy into 4x square y, 2xy minus 3xy square, 2xy into 4xy. Minus sign we will write here, plus sign we will write here. So now find the product. When you get the product, you will get 8x cube y square minus 6x square y cube plus 8x square y square. So we have taken 2 examples. One more example. Here is one more example that will help you to do the sums. Binomial to binomials. Here the sum. Now 3x will multiply to this binomial. Minus 4y will multiply to this binomials. Now separate this one. 3x into 4x gives the 12x square. 3x into 5y will give the 15xy. Here same, minus 4y multiply 4x give the minus 16xy. Minus 4y plus 5y give the minus 20y square. Collect the like terms. 12x square as it is. Minus 15xy minus 15xy plus minus 16xy give the minus xy. As this term is greater than this term, so negative terms, 16 minus 15 minus 1. So here this one and minus 20y square as it is. So your answer is this one. So with the help of these 3 examples and with the concept, you can do the exercise 19c.